In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new vendor to QuickBooks Online, a valuable skill for anyone looking to streamline their business finances efficiently. We'll break this down into a few simple steps that you can easily follow along. To start off, you'll want to launch your preferred web browser. Popular options include Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, head over to the QuickBooks Online login page by navigating to quickbooks.intuit.com. Here, you'll be presented with a welcome page asking for your login credentials. Enter your username and password, ensuring that you're accessing the right account, and sign in. For those using QuickBooks regularly, you might want to bookmark this page for quick access in the future. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed to give you a quick overview of your financial picture. Today, though, our focus is on vendors, so direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Look for the Expenses tab and click on it, which will expand your options and reveal the Vendors section. Select Vendors to proceed. Now that you're in the Vendors section, you'll notice a list of all the current vendors you work with. To add a new one, you'll need to look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the button labeled New Vendor. This will open up a new window where you'll input all the necessary details about your new vendor. Entering the details accurately is important, as it helps maintain a clear and organized record. Start with the vendor's name, which is crucial for identification. If the vendor operates under a company name, you can add that as well. This is especially useful for larger businesses or if you're managing accounts for a firm. Next, fill in the email address. This is vital for sending invoices or any important communications. Keep the lines of communication open by including a phone number. It comes in handy if you need to resolve any issues promptly. Providing their address is another crucial bit of information, useful in knowing where your shipments or communications are headed. Payment terms are another optional field to fill out. They can define if you have specific agreements on when payments are due, streamlining the payment processes between you and your vendor. Lastly, if relevant, input their tax ID. It's helpful for maintaining accurate tax records, especially during audits or tax filing seasons. After diligently filling out these details, take a moment to review everything to ensure there are no errors. Once satisfied with the accuracy of the data, look for the Save button, also located at the bottom of the form. A single click on this button will add the vendor to your official list. You've successfully added a new vendor to QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure your financial records are comprehensive, up-to-date, and truly reflective of your business transactions.